Welcome to Beaker's Classroom and Slime Time. Howdy, this is Booger. I'm Beaker's best buddy. Well, boys and girls, it says 11 on our clock, so it looks like it's time to get started. There's two things we know about old Beaker's classroom. One, you're gonna learn something. And two, somebody's gonna get slimed. Well, let's see who our our students are today. Looks like we have old Jafar. Jafar was that bad guy in Disney's cartoon movie Aladdin. And Chicken Little starred in his own Disney cartoon called Chicken Little. Oh, sorry about that old bad guy comment there, Jafar. Anywho, we're happy to have both of y'all here in Beaker's classroom. Let's see what we're going to learn about today. How about we take a look at our old magic window there and see if it'll give us a hint? Well, I see some men standing there in some fancy suits playing fiddles and guitars. I reckon we're going to learn about music or something. I don't know. Y'all know what we're going to learn about? Well, I guess we better ask old Mr. Movie Projector to show us a film so we can see what the magic window is trying to tell us. Y'all ready to watch? Okay then. Mr. Movie Projector, can you start the film, please?
Está llegando ya la gente a celebrar. Llegan contentos porque van a disfrutar. Por seguro nadie de ellos va a faltar. Y en la noche todos listos para bailar. Saquen la salsa, la comida ya va a estar. Saquen las copas porque vamos a chupar. Juntemos a todos porque vamos a escuchar. Porque el mariachi pronto ya va a cantar. Suban sus copas y a brindar, celebremos la amistad. Suban sus copas y a brindar, y los problemas se olvidarán. Así nomás, una tras de otra, compadre, una tras de otra, y así se nos olvidan los problemas. Echamos porras con mucha felicidad, todos contentos porque hay una hermandad. Que ni un día pase que se vayan a olvidar, que a la familia y los amigos hay que amar. Los compadres ya borrachos de tomar, y ya no hay chelas, ahora salgan a comprar. Traigan tequila porque ya va a empezar, y el mariachi de la fiesta va a cantar. Suban sus copas y a brindar, celebremos la amistad. Suban sus copas y a brindar, y los problemas se olvidarán. Está llegando ya la gente a celebrar. Llegan contentos porque van a disfrutar. Por seguro nadie de ellos va a faltar. Y en la noche todos listos para bailar. Saquen la salsa, la comida ya va a estar. Saquen las copas porque vamos a chupar. Juntemos a todos porque vamos a escuchar. Porque el mariachi pronto
Wow, what a great film. Mexico sure was interesting to learn about. I didn't know Mexico had all that neat stuff, did y'all? I guess our magic window was trying to tell us we was going to learn about Mexico. I went to Mexico once. We was in Cancun. It's on the beach. I saw the biggest lizard you ever did see. I believe they's called iguanas. I see one now. I saw a lot of that stuff again when I went to Disney World. We went to Epcot to the Mexico pavilion, and they had a mariachi band and sombreros and lots of stuff from Mexico. I even saw one of them Day of the Dead masks like Miguel wore in that movie Coco. Chicken Little, you got on a sombrero. Why is your hat so big, and how big is it? Oh yeah, we learned that in the film that sombreros are big to keep the sun off the farmers and cowboys' heads. I reckon that makes sense. Well, while y'all was watching the movie, I wrote down some questions so we could answer them after the film. How about we look up on the board and see which ones we know? Let's see. Question number 1. Where is Mexico located on the map? That's right. It's below the United States. Or if you want to be fancy, Mexico is south of the USA. Let's see what the other questions are. The next question is about Mexico's flag. I see one right now. What are the 3 colors in Mexico's flag? That's right. There's green, white, and red with a big old eagle or something in the middle. Our last question's about music. It says to name an instrument used to make music in Mexico. That's easy. Chicken Little's got one in his lap right now. A guitar. Can you think of another instrument? Yep. Maracas. I think I hear some. Man, we learned some interesting stuff today. I sure wish I could go back to Mexico. Y'all want to go with me? Alright, let's go. Before we go, though, it looks like it's slime time in Beaker's classroom. Alright then, let's see who's going to get it today. Mr. Camera, who's going to get slime today? Sorry, Jafar, looks like you're going to be wearing a new hat. Let's see what we got. Well, it's pink-looking slime with some Mexican confetti. That's crazy. You ready, Jafar? Here we go. Wow, that's some gooey stuff. Sorry about that, Jafar. You ain't gonna turn me into a magic lamp or something, are you? Well, I guess this ends another day in Baker's classroom. I want to thank Jafar and Chicken Little for helping us out today. And I want to thank Baker, too. He don't talk much. And I want to thank y'all for watching. Well, see you next time. Adios.